Today, we're creating a complete 2D side-scrolling game, a main character, a full environment asset pack, parallel backgrounds, seamless textures, and even simple animations, all completely free using AI tools. Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create everything step by step. So, let's get started. Part 1. Creating the main character. First, open ChatGPT and describe your character. For example, I'm using a stylized cartoon boy with messy black hair, a yellow hoodie, and a small, fluffy companion creature. I shortened the prompt for the video, and the full version will be in the description below. Then press Create Image. The important thing here is consistency. This character style becomes the visual foundation for your entire game world. And remember, you can create any character you want. Keep regenerating until you find a design you really love. Part 2. Creating the environment asset pack. Next, we'll generate the entire game environment. Paste the prompt shown on screen. Create a complete, cohesive 2D side-scrolling game environment asset pack in a whimsical, hand-drawn storybook illustration style, matching a stylized cartoon boy with messy black hair and a small, fluffy white creature companion. I shortened the prompt for the video, and the full version will be in the description below. The important part is replacing my character description with your character description if you're using a different design. ChatGPT will generate a full modular asset pack, including grass tiles, rocks, trees, mushrooms, fences, platforms, decorative props, and seamless textures. Everything will match the exact same art style as your character. Part 3. Creating Parallax background layers. Now let's create parallax scrolling backgrounds. Paste the prompt shown on screen. Generate separate depth layers for a 2D side-scrolling game environment. Each layer must be created as an individual image file. The purpose is to create a consistent parallax scrolling system. I shortened the prompt for the video, and the full version is in the description below. The AI will generate multiple depth layers for your world: far background, mid background, gameplay layer, and foreground elements. Once the images are generated, download everything to your computer. Part 4. Separating assets using Microsoft Photos. Now we need to isolate the assets. We'll use the built-in Microsoft Photos app. Open the image, click Edit, and crop the image by adjusting the sliders. Then remove unwanted areas using the Erase tool. After that, save it as a copy. Repeat this process for all your assets. This is a quick and easy way to prepare images before turning them into transparent PNG files. Part 5. Upscaling the assets. Next, go back to ChatGPT. Upload one of your images and simply type Upscale. ChatGPT will generate a higher resolution version of the image. This helps create sharper textures and cleaner game-ready visuals. Part 6. Making transparent PNG assets. Now go to Photopea. Photopea is basically a free browser version of Photoshop. Upload your image, then go to Select, Color Range. Adjust the fuzziness slider until the background is selected correctly. Press OK and delete the background. Now you have a transparent PNG asset ready for your game. Then press Select, Deselect. Part 7. Slicing multiple assets automatically. To separate multiple objects automatically, use the Slice tool inside Photopea. Right-click the image and choose Divide. Then split the image based on the number of objects you have. You can manually adjust the slice lines if needed by using the Slice Select tool. Finally, export everything as PNG files. Photopea will generate a zip folder containing all your separated transparent assets. Part 8. Creating seamless textures. Now let's create seamless textures. Upload your texture image, then go to Filter, Other, Offset. Set the vertical slider to 0. Then move the horizontal slider until the texture seam becomes visible. Now use the Spot Healing Brush tool to remove the visible seam. This creates seamless textures for grass, dirt, stone, and other surfaces. These textures can now repeat infinitely inside your game engine. Part 9. Preparing the character for animation. In this part, we'll help the AI generate a better animation result by placing the character in the pose we want the animation to start from. Go back to ChatGPT and generate a side view walking character. I shortened the prompt for the video, and the full version will be in the description below. The important part is using a solid green chroma key background and keeping the character centered. If you want to animate green objects like grass or trees, it's better to use a blue background instead, so the background will be easier to remove later. Part 10. Creating animation. Now for the fun part, animation. Go to Tencent AI Studio. If the website appears in Chinese, simply right-click and translate the page to English. Create an account and open Multimodal Experience, then select HY Video 1.5 I2V. This model is completely free and open source. Upload your character image and paste the animation prompt shown on screen. Full body character walk cycle, fixed side profile view, walking to the right. After about 2 minutes, you'll get a cute animated walk cycle. If you don't like the result, just regenerate or change the prompt. Feel free to experiment with different animations. When I prototype games, I usually create 2 animations first, walk and idle. That's already enough to start testing gameplay. Part 11. Exporting transparent frames in Blender. Now we'll turn the animation into transparent PNG frames for the game. Open Blender and choose Video Editing. Click Add, Movie, then import your animation. Next, choose the frame range you want for the loop. Go to Output, Frame Range, and change the start and end frames. Usually you want the first and last frames to look similar so the animation loops smoothly. Press the spacebar to preview the animation. Now we'll remove the green screen. Inside the strip modifier settings, add Modifier, Compositor, New. Open the Compositor workspace and enable Sequencer Compositor nodes. Then press Add, Keying, and place the node between the existing nodes. Click on Key Color, use the dropper tool, and sample the green background. Now your video has transparency. To export the frames, go to Output Properties and adjust the resolution if needed. Choose where you want to save your files. Under Media Type, choose Image, File Format, PNG, Color, RGBA. Then go to Render, Render Animation. Blender will export all frames as transparent PNG images ready for your game. And one final tip, save your Blender project file. That way you can reuse the exact same setup for future animations. And that's it.
You now have a complete AI workflow for creating 2D game assets, environments, textures, and animations completely free. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.